I'm going to reveal to you the secret used by the world's best stock pickers. I've used it to rack up an 83% success rate, and now you can use it too.
Shut up and take my money.
You ready? Let's go. It's Trade Talk Tuesday. My name is Brian Bottarelli, former CBOE trader and head trade tactician of the War Room. Today, I'm going to reveal to you the secret used by the world's best stock pickers. I've used it myself to rack up an 83% success rate, and now you can use it too. It's a little bit of a mindset tweak that, when used properly, could make you dramatically richer. So here's the trick. When picking stocks, you want the market to agree with you. Not right now. You want the market to agree with you in 6 months.
Great Scott!
Why is that? Well, the reason is because the market is forward thinking. Stocks are priced based on future value, not present value. So you want to buy a stock now that's cheap and that's overlooked and that's undervalued because Wall Street isn't paying attention to it. The present value is cheap. But in 6 months' time, when that stock recovers and comes back up, and then everyone now agrees that, oh my gosh, this is a buy, you bought it 6 months ago, and now you're selling it to all those people who believe now and present time that it's valuable and high. When COVID first started hitting the airways and people started really realizing what the impact of COVID would be, stocks were getting hammered, right? Airlines especially, cruise lines especially, Disney, and then sports closed down and sports betting stocks, they all got hammered. But then what happened next, right? As people started realizing that there is a vaccine coming, we are going to get out of this, just as quickly as all those stocks moved down, all of them just blasted right back up. Now, they didn't fully recover, any of them, right? But the stocks still moved up because of this principle, because the market is forward thinking. And in 6 months' time, the idea was sports betting would be back, Disney would be back, airlines would be back, and so on. That's why you saw those stocks both rally really hard and bounce back up. So remember this quote: successful investing is about having people agree with you later. For me, 6 months later. If you can do that, you can make a lot of money. Now, if you buy stocks today and the market agrees with you in 6 months, that'll help you hit some of the stock market's biggest winners. Now, if you like this approach and you want to use this method to start hitting winners for yourself, you're invited to get my top 5 picks right now for $5. Click that link below to get started. And thanks for watching. I'm Brian. Stop hating, start trading, and I'll see you soon.